Yo, what is going on, you guys? Sus Mendoza here, and y'all tuning into another video. Came out for another hike. I've never been to this spot before, but yeah, check it out. It's everything around me. It's more of like an uphill, but check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna film up everything I can, try to get as much scenery for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Yo, what's good, guys? Check it out. I'm like in a whole rocky area right now, but like, check out this, dude. It's sick. Pretty dope. Look at that. Yo, what's going on, you guys? Thanks for watching today's video. I'm glad y'all stuck with me to the end. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. I had a good time hiking. It's pretty fun. It's pretty steep coming up, But yeah, that was the end of the trail. Right over there was that rocky area. I don't think you can go anymore, but I'm chilling. So yeah, I had a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Y'all have a great day. See y'all later. Check it out. Yeah.